Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sally. If you guys haven't been here, welcome. We love everyone. So for today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my FabFitFun and it is almost open. Okay, everything was going to fall out. I am so sorry. I am going to unbox my FabFitFun for summer, the summer season of 2022. So if you guys want to see what I got, let's tune into that video. I don't remember what I chose. I remember that I got a bra and a lipstick. I think a product by something. I don't remember. This was so long ago and it's been sitting here for like 2 weeks, but I've been filming a couple of vlogs. So we have a couple of vlogs coming to this channel, which I'm really excited. So let's dive into the video. But before we do, if you guys do like unboxings and makeup tutorials and clothing hauls, please subscribe to my channel. I think you would really enjoy this channel if you like all that type of stuff. Plus vlogs. I'm doing vlogs right now. Like that video, click that little notification bell so you guys be notified of all my future uploads. And it's freaking hot, so I'm gonna put my hair back. And yeah, let's get into this video. FabFitFun summer, woo! Okay, it's always so huge. I never know how to open this. This is like such a weird angle. So here we go. Woo! FabFitFun. Okay, so you always get a magazine. Yeah, and then there's all my stuff right there. Okay, that was a workout. So first thing we get is this magazine. It tells you everything that you could have gotten in your box. It gives you recipes, workout routines. I actually really like reading this. We got some cute stickers, FabFitFun stickers. $15 off. If you guys want $15 off FabFitFun, there's my code. Congrats. Liquid IV. Oh, I freaking love these things. I literally buy the 30 pack at Costco and I think it lasts me like a month to 2 months. I freaking love drinking these. I always drink them. I feel like I just don't drink enough water, especially since I work in the office. Everyone's like, you want coffee? Do you want some tea? Do you want this? Do you want that? It's like I need to drink freaking water and it doesn't happen. Liquid IV, I really like these. It's just like a hydration multiplier you put in your water. And this is guava. I haven't tried this. I've tried the lemon one. I love the lemon one. The cherry one, gross. Strawberry one is okay. Passion fruit I think is my second favorite. Lemon though, bomb. The first thing that I got is this. This is a bag. Honestly, this is a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be. I think that what I saw in the picture was gonna be like half of this size. So I'm glad. It's pretty big. It's decent. Okay, so here's the bag. I think it's super cute. The only thing is that it doesn't have like, is this real leather? I can't tell. Is it real leather? Samari. I'm gonna look at what this says because there's no description. The only thing that I don't like is that there's like, I don't know if you could tell, there's like no pockets to put anything. Like I used to like put bobby pins or hair ties somewhere, and then it doesn't really have like the close. It's just the button, which I guess that works. The little button right there. So that would work, but like it's kind of cheap for how much it was. I mean, of course, FabFitFun is a monthly subscription box, and I think well, not monthly, sorry, seasonal. So every 3 to 4 months, depending on the season. So you get it spring, fall, spring, summer, fall, winter is what you get it. And then I think it's like $5. I pay for the year, so I pay like 200 bucks ahead of time because I don't want to think about it. I just want it there, and I freaking love FabFitFun. I've loved every single box that I've gotten. Some hits, some misses, but usually I feel like if for 50 bucks you get your money's worth. I think it's cute and I would definitely wear it. You don't want to see my armpit? I would definitely wear it. It feels cheap. It's kind of hollow. Very hollow, you know? It's very, doesn't weigh anything at all. It's so light. It feels cheap. I don't know who Samara is. Do you guys know who Samara is? No? Cool, we're on the same boat. Let me look this up on my FabFitFun app because they don't tell you how much everything is anymore. Or do they? Nope. They don't even have like what anything is. It just says scan the QR code. This is $125 retail. No. Samara shoulder bag peony, MSRP $125. Vegan leather. It is dimensions 8 by 5 inches times 7 by 5 inches. I don't know. Oh, and I believe if you still want, you can still get FabFitFun. I believe you can because FabFitFun is seasonal. So for the whole summer season, you can still sign up and get this box. So if you're interested, I'm going to leave a link down below if you do want to get it. I highly recommend it. I think whatever we get is going to be more than the $50. And if you like shopping and makeup and beauty stuff, I think you're gonna really enjoy this box. Okay, so this next thing is this bra. I think I added it on, or it was a choice item. I don't remember. I know I did add on 1 or 2 items, so I'm not sure. But This is a Free People bra, and I know Free People's pretty pricey. This is originally $16, and I got the size large, extra large. It's supposed to be for D's, but like I'm not a D, but I can't fit into small stuff because my, like, I'm wide, but I'm not like big, you know. I have size B boobies, so they're tiny, but I can't fit into like small mediums. Like they have to be large, extra large, just because of how I'm proportioned, you know, because they don't make stuff for normal size people. So this is the Free People bralette. Honestly, I love this type of stuff. I think it's going to fit. It's very stretchy, so I think it will fit, honestly, which is good. And I do like bralettes because I hate wearing underwires and bras. Like as soon as I come home, I'm like, out of my bra, I want it off. I freaking hate them. It's pretty cute. Doesn't smell like anything. The design on it is cute as well. So yeah, that's cute. Oh, and you can choose, I think you have about 6 items or 6 choices that you have to make, and then each category has anything between 4 to like 8 items that you can choose between. So it's a really good variety. So if you don't like one thing, there's always something else that you can choose, which I like. Oh, I also got a Bright Sellers wine discount card. I always think those things are junk. Like, why do you throw in so much crap in here? It's so annoying. Anyways, the next item is this. This is the KP Bump Eraser Body Scrub and the Ingrown Hair Pads. I have been wanting to try these so bad, and I was honestly debating the next like Ulta run that I do to pick these up, so I'm glad this is in here because I really want to try it. So this is a Bump Eraser KP, and First Aid Beauty, I love their exfoliating pads for your face, their face wash, their moisturizer. I love this brand. I do repurchase this brand, and I do have a couple core items that I do use in my skincare with this brand, so I'm like really excited. So ingrown hair pads, you just like, whenever you have ingrown hair, you just scrub this on. It's supposed to take them off. And this is a body eraser, so if you do have like strawberry legs, or you know those bumps that you get on the back of your arms, I'm like, you know, sometimes I do actually. Sometimes I get like a couple. You can just scrub it on and it would take it off. So I'm so excited to use this. These are $40. 40? Yeah, for the pair. Good deal. See? 55 bucks for basically the bag, and you already made your money's back, you know? So everything else is like free, which I like. The next thing that we got is this. I was really excited that this was in here. This is the Tula. This is the Tula Skincare Protect and Glow Daily Sunscreen. This has SPF 30, probiotics, and superfoods. That's what the little colorful chromey thing says. It's really cute. That is the sunscreen right there. I can't tell that it has like micro shine. It doesn't look like glitter. It just looks like shimmer. It says this daily SPF 30 is what you need, plus protection against the damage effects of pollution and blue light, all while giving you a gorgeous glow. It smells like sunscreen, like basic sunscreen, but you know what? I really enjoy this. It's super moisturizing. It does not give you a white cast at all, which is so nice. I hate when sunscreens give you a white cast. It's very glowy, and it feels like it would just moisturize you and give you like a natural dewy look. It's good. It's good. I wish it didn't have a scent, but it's like a slight mineral scent. So I'm so excited about this, especially since it's summer and I go out a lot to the beach, and we go out to like museums and parks or dinners, you know. I'm always out and about, especially during these next like 3-4 months. So excited. Next is this. This is a contour stick gel. This is by Illamasqua. This is the gel contour stick, and the color outline, honestly all the colors online look the same. Like I could not tell, and I think I went to Sephora, and then Sephora actually told me to choose this one because this was gonna suit my skin tone. Oh my god, have my nails been dirty the whole time and no one has told me? You guys, my nails aren't dirty. This is mascara because I've been picking at my mascara all day. Okay, I am so sorry. I'm so sorry. Anyways, let's get to the sunscreen. Sunscreen. Contour stick. This one has sunscreen, so I'm gonna put it on this hand. This is in the color, oh, I can't even see it. Oh man, I should have got the darker one. Oh, I should have got the darker one. I can't even, can you see that? Lightly. You know what? This was literally all the choices that we had. I think it was like this on a candle. I honestly don't remember. But that's almost my skin tone. I guess it's a little bit darker. Like I guess I could contour with this. Oh, I guess I can see it. I can see it a little bit. So I guess it will work. It's just like, I wish it was a little darker, but it did give me some shade right there. Let's see up here. Oh, it's just taking off my makeup, honestly. I mean, yeah, you could see it a little bit. My hair is everywhere. I wore my hair natural today and this is what I get. It's just frizziness everywhere. I mean, you can see it a little bit. I just wish that it was, you know, darker because that is so sheer. So sheer that you can't even see like the difference. And this looks so dark, doesn't it? Like, look at how dark that looks. Look at how dark that looks. And it is just literally the sheerest thing ever. I do not recommend this and I probably won't use this. This is supposed to be $32 and I think they sell it at Sephora and I think this is a waste. I would not recommend this. I would not. I did add these on. I don't think it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I did not choose these. No. Because I added on the bra because it was like $15 to add on. And I was like, yeah, I'm gonna add on the bra because I wanted the bra and the purse because it was either one or the other. I think it was this or this, I believe. So I wanted these as well. This is the Truly Gone Acne Spot. Acne Fighting Super Dots. So what you do is you get these little clear dots. Have you guys heard of Hero? Hero has amazing acne spot, like little patches. So you put it on your pimple and then like you leave it overnight. I usually do it when I sleep. So like put it on. When you take it off in the morning, it's all white. So it sucks everything out. But I recommend it if it has the white head or else it doesn't really work. Or you want to like puncture it with like a pin or a needle or something just so it can have a little hole so it can suck everything out. Because if it's in there, like in and your skin hasn't punctured or there's no way for it to come out, it won't work. So you need a little puncture wound, just FYI. But it basically tells you, see, pimple, patch, once it turns white, completely white, it's good to come off. It usually takes about 6 to 10 hours for it to develop completely. It's usually all, what is this, salicylic acid? Is that what it is? Hydrochloride. There we go, hydrochloride. And these are, oh, these are a lot different. These are a lot squishier than Hero. I don't know if you could see them. Can you see them? It's just a bunch of little pimple patches. So these are good. These actually really come in handy. I was gonna rebuy Hero, but I saw these and these were like, I think you could add them on for like $5 or $6, something like that. And the Hero patches are like 15 to 20 depending on what box you get. So I was like, cool, this is 72 individual dots. 72, are you sure? It is 72, it's 34 each. I just counted it. Okay, so the next thing that I got is this, which I was actually super excited for getting because when I saw these drop, I wanted to buy them. These just came out, I think this year or yeah, I think early this year these came out. These are the Anastasia matte lipsticks and I got the color Velvet and they like just looked like they had the most beautiful packaging. But look at this, it's so like sleek and pretty. Wait, are these the old ones or the new ones? Someone comment down below what they are. Oh no, I think these are the new ones. Ooh, it does look like velvet. I don't know if you could tell, but the texture on it looks like velvet. It's so pretty. Velvet matte lipstick. Let's try this on. Oh, it's almost like the color of this lipstick. I am going to like this. Oh, it's so creamy. For being matte, it's very creamy, very pigmented. I like that. I actually really like this color. It smells like chocolate. Oh, it smells good. You know, one weird fact about me, I love the smell of chocolate, but I don't like the taste. I don't like chocolate. The only time I have chocolate is in like my chocolate protein shakes or like Nesquik chocolate milk. I'm trying to think of what else. Yeah, that's it. That's literally the only time. Like Hershey's, ooh, sometimes Recess, I have to be in the mood, like I have to be on my period to like it. But other than that, I don't like chocolate. I never have. Even as a little kid, you can ask my whole family members, I don't like chocolate. I think it's gross, honestly. Oh yeah, but that lipstick, bomb. I didn't even see how much it was. Huh. This is $20. Yeah, it was $20 at Sephora, so that's pretty good. I like it, I like it. It's a really pretty color too. Like, look at this color. Cute. The last thing that I chose was this. This is Soratech Elevated. So this is supposed to be a like mat where you work with your computer, like your desk pad. Is that what it's called? A desk pad, yeah. Which I don't have because I usually carry around my laptop everywhere. Like sometimes I'll put it on this desk. Sometimes I have a desk over there that I can put it on, or I'll put it on my kitchen table. But my laptop doesn't have like a designated area. So I thought this would be cool if I'm like in the kitchen and I just laid on the kitchen table. This is like my dedicated spot, you you know, like it'll help me focus that this is where I need to work at. So I wanted to get this because honestly the other like things were like, oh, no. I don't remember anything, like nothing from me picking this. I just know the things that I picked, but I don't remember the other choices, which I wish I did so I could tell you what it was. Okay, it's very heavy duty. I don't know if you could tell, it's like very thick. It has it smells like plastic. It has like a rubbery material so it doesn't like slip and slide everywhere. And I'm pretty sure this is very, 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 very long. Look at this. So this is perfect for like your keyboard, and then you just plop it on and you have a dedicated area to work at. And I actually really like this print, so I think this is good. Imagine me with this background. I wonder how that would look. How do you think I would look with a spotted background? I'm trying to see if I want to get some more backgrounds in here. I have some couple ideas, but I don't know. I feel like I'm closed off. Maybe not. Anyways, yeah, that was the last item. And then I do have a couple more things, so don't leave yet. Let me see how much this was. This was $29.99. I feel like it's overpriced for what it is, and I feel like we could probably find something cheaper at like Walmart or Target for probably half the price, or like TJ Maxx for half the price. But it's really good quality, good material, and that's honestly probably going to be like the most practical thing that I'm going to use. Before I show you the other stuff that I have, because I feel like they did give me a free item, I just want to point out my favorite item of this whole haul is definitely the lipstick. I'm going to get a lot of use out of it. It's so creamy. I don't feel it. It's not drying. It's so soft. It is matte, but it's creamy at the same time, so it's like a perfect formula. I really like this. Of course, the sunscreen I'm so excited for. I'm really excited for the KP stuff. The Illamasqua is a joke. That's a joke. The rest of the stuff is like whatever, I don't really care for. Like, I'm happy I got it, but like if it wasn't for FabFitFun, I wouldn't have picked it up, you know. I got a Daily Harvest sticker, $40 off. I'm telling you, they always give so much stuff. This was the free item. This is my add-ons. I'm just gonna go over the add-ons really fast because I literally add this on every single box. So if you go back to all my different videos of FabFitFun, I always add this on. The Pore Purifying Cleanser by Dr. Brandt. So this is my favorite cleanser like on earth. I really like the Cream Shop Gel Cleanser. It's like a double cleanser. It takes off your makeup and cleanses your face. But this one, beautiful, beautiful formula, works miracles. And every time I add it onto the box, it's only $9. And I think this is over like 40 something at like Sephora and stuff. So really good deal. And then I always add on the Farewell Frizz by Baroggio. This is a really good cream to put in your hair, either to air dry or when you, I did not put this on, that's why my hair is so frizzy today, or when you get out of the shower and then you need to blow dry it, you would put this on. So it protects it because it's a heat protectant, and it gives you a really nice shine when you blow out your hair. So highly recommend this. I think this was another $9, and then I think this was originally like 20 to 30 at Sephora because that's usually where I get it at. And then they gave this. This is a body scrubber. KO body scrubber. They threw in a free item, which is pretty cool because I never really get free items. Do you have anything? Is that just a silica packet? Yeah. Okay. So this is a body scrubber. It's supposed to like exfoliate. I don't like this. It like gets stuck to my skin. Like, it just like, look. It like gets stuck. I don't know. Maybe I'll see if like my mom wants this. How would you use this? Like, would you put it like this and then go like this? Oh yeah, that's how you would do it. I just don't like that it's silicone. I wish it was like bristles, and maybe I would use it more. You know what this reminds me of? This reminds me of a makeup cleaner pad. Like, maybe that's what I would use it for, but I have my Sigma one that I usually use. I need to clean my brushes. Thank you for reminding me. But this, I don't know, this reminds me of the makeup cleaning pads, you know, where you clean your makeup brushes in. It smells disgusting. Yeah, I don't. Thank you, FabFitFun, for throwing in the free item. Appreciate it. Let me know what you guys thought of the FabFitFun box of my variation. Did you guys pick the same? Did you guys like these choices? Because honestly, I wasn't excited and wowed for the choices. I was excited for these and this. This is literally the only three that I was excited for. Other than that, everything was like, I chose the best. My hair is and everywhere in my face. I chose the best that I think would suit me better in my lifestyle. So yeah, let me know what you guys thought of the box. Please leave me a comment down below what your favorite item was, or if you just want to chit chat with me, I would love to chit chat with you guys. If you guys do like these types of videos, please consider subscribing. It will mean the world to me if you guys do like the video. It really does help out my channel out so much. And click that little notification bell so it gets me notified when my future uploads. And I'll see you guys in the next video. I love you guys. Bye.